Today we're going to show you how to get from Port Canaveral Cruise Port by bus to Cocoa Beach for a total of $3 round trip. We just got off the ship. We are in Port Canaveral right now, otherwise known as Cocoa Beach. And instead of taking a Royal Caribbean excursion, we have decided that we're going to take the bus just to Ron Jon Surf Shop. I think the bus is about $2 to get there. We're going to get on it and we'll be there in about 20 or 25 minutes. Right behind me is the intersection of G. King Boulevard and Columbia Road. If you'd like to take the bus, you'll have to walk there from the cruise terminal. The bus drops you off just a short walk from the world famous Ron Jon Surf Shop.
We just finished shopping at Ron Jon Surf Shop. Now we're walking over to the beach.
Even though it was overcast and windy, it was still great to escape Wisconsin's March weather to spend some time on the beach. If you'd like a beach chair or sun umbrella, they are available from various vendors. Sitting here at the beach right now, and Royal Caribbean generally gives out towels for us to use while we're here. We decided not to go with their towels. One is if we get to return them, we lose $25 a towel, and that's a lot of money. Secondly, we like to bring our own towels. If you look, you can see our microfiber towels. These are camp towels. They pack up really small, and they fit in our backpacks really nice. And if we lose these towels or forget our towels, we're not out $25 per towel. In fact, these towels probably only cost $10 or $15 each. So definitely a way for us to save some potentially lost money if we were to lose our towels. Plus, they're really nice towels that fit in our bag. After a couple hours on the beach, it was time to head back to the ship. So Uber or Lyft is a great way of getting around the Space Coast, or Port Canaveral and Cocoa Beach and whatnot. The bus is also a great way as well. We take bus 9, and basically they do a loop from the cruise port down to the beaches and the popular tourist areas. We're now on our way back to the ship after our DIY excursion to Cocoa Beach. The entire trip cost us $6 total. Basically, we spent $3 each round trip to take the bus there and back.